Good morning, everybody. Joe Ciaccio here. I had Royal Neighbors set up to be on the call today, but due to some technical difficulties, they cannot make the call. So I'm going to kind of give you a brief overview of the new program they've got coming out. I'm going to try to reschedule them probably within the next week or so. Royal Neighbors has a super preferred pricing coming out that I've seen the prices. They're phenomenal. I'm going to just do two of them for you today. They're still going to have their simplified issue, the graded. They're also coming out with a guaranteed issue. I've got no idea what the rates are on the guaranteed issue, yet I do know that their super preferred, or preferred, however they're going to call it, is a much less expensive product than their simplified, within the top 5 of the marketplace. And I saw the little graph that they sent me. The carriers that are above them, 4 out of those 5 have a hidden commission from what you have now. So whatever your commission is now, your commission will be the same on this preferred product. So we feel that you're going to be able to make more sales because of, first of all, the company, how long they've been in business, their member benefits that a lot more agents are starting to take advantage of because it makes it more sexier for the client, and the pricing. So you're going to have less chance of you being flipped out by a competitor. Now, they're coming out with a new application January 21st. So all this starts January 21st. Okay. Now, the ages for the preferred is 50 to 75. It goes from 25 to 40,000. So they are thinking about lowering it to 15,000, but as of now, it's from the face amount of $25,000 to $40,000. The certificate fee, also known as policy fee, is commissionable to us. On the simplified issue, guaranteed issue, it's 10% of the premiums the first 2 years. They're also going to add to their portfolio is an accidental death benefit rider that a lot of agents have asked for. Also having a grandchild rider they're asking for. And they've got a charitable giving rider. Don't know all the details on it because I thought they're going to be on the call today. But what I was told is that part of your premium is going to go towards a little separate fund. So when you pass away, part of your face amount you can give to a charitable place. Okay? It's either part of it or they're going to match it on top for you to give something away. Now, not going to be a long call today, so I apologize for them not being here. I'm going to tell you the pricing that I have here. If you take a pen and paper out, you can compare it to who you're presently using. They've got a 65 female non-smoker, 25,000, is $94.09. So 25,000 female non-smoker, $94.09. For a male 65 non-smoker, 25,000 is an even $125. I've compared it. It's cheap. I don't like using the word cheap, but it's definitely going to put you right in there. Health questions are going to be a little bit tougher than their simplified issue. Yet I was told it's nothing dramatic. You're still going to be able to make sales. The only drawback is that it's got to be 25,000 or higher. So I spoke to some of the head people there. They're thinking about maybe lowering it if they get a lot of us complaining about it to a lower face amount. But the way they designed it was to 25 up to $40,000. So that's coming out January 21st, brand new application, everything. Jay just sent everybody a little, what's it called, a little shortcut? What did you send everybody?
Oh, I just sent it out.
Okay. Okay, Jay's going to send it out in a minute. It's going to give you an overview of the product. Okay, exactly what's in it. They just popped it to us just now because they're unable to be on the call. So it's coming to you to give you some of the ideas, a footprint of how the program is going to work. What I'm going to do, I'm going to parlay into their member benefits that a lot of agents like using because it makes it more sexier. So when you're going over the product with a client, the client is saying, oh, I'm going to get this, this, and this. The parts that I like about it, you're going to be able to ask your clients, do you have a will set up? I'm going to say 95% of them are going to go, no. Say, well, this comes with a free will that you'll have the opportunity to call up an attorney, either on the phone if there's not one around you, or one you can visit, and they'll set you up a free simple will for no charge. It comes for you, and it also comes for your spouse. I'm going to try to get the husband and wife to buy it. Yet if the husband doesn't qualify for the Royal Neighbors and you got to put him with somebody else, let them know that the husband also gets a free will with the wife's policy. It comes with a $200 annual disaster fund monies. So us in Florida, hurricane comes by, you have a Royal Neighbors plan, and your house gets hit, you lose your electricity, everything in your freezer goes out, they're going to send you a check for $200. You call up, you call your agent up, or you call directly to the carrier, tell them my member number is this, they'll go over everything with you. It's the honesty system. And they'll send you a check for $200, or they'll apply that $200 to future payments, whatever one you want to do. It comes with a vision, it comes with a hearing, it comes with discounts for an attorney. If you need an attorney, regardless what the attorney's for, a divorce, criminal, civil, whatever you need it for, they will put you to somebody and you're going to get a discounted rate for that. Also, it comes with a discount prescription card. We know about the Good RX, but yet when you have a card, it's nice just to go there and say, I've got a card. Is this cheaper than the Good RX or cheaper than my current health insurance? Primarily for people that are under 65 that are not on Medicare, who either do not have insurance or the plan they have doesn't have a decent pricing on the medications. Member benefits are free to everybody. If you get the simplified issue, or they're graded, or the guaranteed issue, it comes whatever minimum face amount it is, yet with the preferred $25,000 to get all those benefits there. So, with that said, I got nothing more to say. I appreciate you being on the call. Jay, sending everybody something, review it, look at it, call us, we'll go over it with you. We'll kind of learn it together, because they're going to be on the call today to tell us everything from A to Z and some underwriting. So I've got to try to get them back on the call, because this plan is going to be a bomb for everybody to make a whole lot more money. So with that said, appreciate you, love you, have a very nice day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.